Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to reinstall Steam without losing your games. So let's get started with this quick tutorial. First, open your Steam app and log in with your credentials. Once you're logged in, direct your attention to the upper left corner of the screen and click on Library. This is where all your installed games are organized and accessible. Now in the left panel, you'll see a list of all your games. Right-click on the game you want to back up, and from the menu that appears, select Properties. This will open a new window with various settings and options for that specific game. Next, look for the Steam Cloud option and make sure it's toggled on. This feature automatically saves your game progress and settings to the cloud, which means you won't lose any of your saved data during the reinstallation process. It's an essential step that ensures your gaming experience remains uninterrupted. After that, in the left panel of the Properties window, click on Installed Files. This section gives you access to all the file management options for your game, including the backup feature we're about to use. Once you're in Installed Files, click on Backup Game Files. This powerful feature allows you to create a complete backup of your game, preserving all the necessary files so you can restore them later without having to re-download everything from scratch. A new window will appear where you need to click Browse to choose where you want to create your backup. This step is important because you're deciding where your game files will be safely stored during the Steam reinstallation. Now select a destination folder for your backup. This could be an external drive, a USB drive, another disk, or any location with enough storage space to hold your game files. Once you've chosen your destination, click Select Folder to confirm your choice. After selecting your destination, click Create Backup to begin the process. The system will now start copying all your game files to the location you specified. Depending on the size of your game, this might take a few minutes, so be patient while the backup completes. Once the backup is finished, you can now safely reinstall your Steam application. With your games backed up, you won't lose any data during the reinstallation process, and you'll be able to restore everything exactly as it was. When you're ready to restore your games after reinstalling Steam, go to the upper left corner and click on Steam. Then select Restore Game Backup from the drop-down menu. This will launch the restoration wizard. In the restoration window, click Browse to locate your backup files. Navigate to the folder where you saved your backup earlier, select it, and then click Select Folder to confirm. Finally, click Restore Backup to begin bringing your game back to your system. Steam will now extract and restore all your game files from the backup location, and your game will be ready to play again without needing a full re-download. And that's it. You've successfully reinstalled Steam while keeping all your games intact. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.